Struggling to keep viewers on your channel? You're uploading great content, but your audience leaves right after the video ends. One simple fix: add an end screen. It lets you show subscribe buttons, video suggestions, and even playlist links right at the end of your video. But a lot of creators skip this step because they don't know where to set it up or think it's complicated. Don't worry, it only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through it. Before we start, hit like and subscribe for more quick YouTube creator tools and tips. Let's set up your end screen in 3 steps. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Go to studio.youtube.com. Click Content. Choose the video you want to edit. Click Editor from the left sidebar. This brings up a timeline view of your video. Step 2. Add elements. Click plus Add Element under the end screen panel. Choose from Subscribe button, Video or Playlist, Channel, to promote another creator, Link, if you're eligible. Drag and resize elements on the preview screen. You can place them at any point in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. Step 3. Save and preview. Make sure nothing overlaps your outro visuals or text. Hit Save and preview it to check how it looks. If that helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies and content tips. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.